1 to 2 hours of proper thawing ng siomai and siomai before you put them on the steamer. 5 minutes of boiling, you touch them, you taste them, steam yan. Okay? So yeah. So 30 pieces in 1 pack. This one is a pork siomai. You double check the quality and the quantity. Kapag kulang ulit na isa, ito, itawag nyo. May kumain eh. So, tinanggad talaga. So you double check that. You always double check. Basta gusto ko lang po guys, pag na-receive ang products, no? Mas kaya may tumatawag sa amin dito, 1 week na na-receive ang products, then they go with quality. So may kulang pala. Paano naman kayo maniniwala ng 1 week na, di ba? So within the 24 hours, pag na-receive nyo, you count, you double check that, pag may kulang, itawag nyo. Matadala mo kayo ng palitan. Okay? Pero schedule lang, yun nasa pa. Okay, this one's the hindi siopaw to. Yan, sabi ko na nga ba. Ito yung ginagamit namin sa burger room concept. Okay, we call it the siopaw buns. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's very easy for us to make a siopaw buns. Since we have a complication of siopaw, instead of using a regular monai, we use a siopaw buns. Same price. The regular monai was 26 pesos. It's also 26 pesos. Pareho na sila. Okay? So you always double check, but the handling of this one is the same with the Pinoy Pao. Kasi still, siopaw pa rin. No? So ito yung ginagamit namin sa burger concept. Siopaw buns. Ang kanyang expiration will be on March 2014. Tagal pa, no? 6 months. Mama, baka naman. May plastic na ba dyan? Baka lagay ako na lagay nyo. Madami ito kanina. Nasa iba? Anyway, so this one's the patty. Ito yung ginagamit namin toppings for the oat noodles, for the burger room concept, and also for the bread bowl concept. This one is a pure beef. Okay guys, may kasama to extender. Pero we don't use saging, no? Di ba ginagamit saging? We don't use that. We use 1 quart na pork for this. 1 quart na pork po ang extender, so hindi pa rin sila po pwede sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. Okay? Kasi sa pure beef, kaya lang nilagyan namin na extender, ang nilagay namin pork, 1 quart.
Yan yung sa oat noodles.
Toppings po.
Toppings.
Burger room.
Burger room. Yan din.
Okay, we don't use ammonia hydroxide for this one, no? Ay, pumila ng ammonia hydroxide. Ano yun, sir?
Parang meat yung lasa niya, pero gawa siya sa parang garlic. Pero maganda sa mga foreigner.
Also, we don't use formalin for this, no? Hindi kami gumagamit po ng formalin. Yes! Alam niyo po ba, para mag-stay ang isang freshness sa isang bag, nilalagyan po ng formalin. Pero hindi masama ang formalin. Huwag lang sobra. Formalin naman talaga ang ginagamit to preserve meat, eh. Hindi kami gumagamit doon. Kaya lang kayo nanalo kasi ginagamit sa patay. Diba? So, ginagamit mo taga ang formalin to preserve it. Anyway, yun yun. Ma'am, nawawala. Sabi ko na. Hindi na joke ko lang, mami ko naman. Okay. Okay, this one is siopaw. Ito, kabisado nyo. Ano to? Asado. Okay, dito po sa amin, nagsawa na kami ng mitundok. Ayun na, hindi na uso sa amin yung mitundok, di ba? Kulay pula, kulay dilaw. Bola-bola, asado, we don't use that anymore. We use a label na talaga, may pangalan. Pag nalito pa ang inyong mga staff, ay nako, ewan ko na lang. So this one is asado, makikita nyo sa likod, di ba? So label na po kami ngayon, hindi yung tundok-tundok, hindi na po uso. Luma na yun. Okay, so nililabel na po namin talaga ang mga siopaw-siomai namin dito. Okay? So you always double check this one. Is this one isa to sa mga best seller po namin. Of course, asado bola-bola, alam niyo naman tayo mga Pinoy. Di ba? Hindi nawawala. So ayan yan. And then also, ito yung tiny pao. 4 na klaseng kulay ito ha. Ito yung bibigay ko sa inyo, mami. Hati kayo natin. Okay, this one, called it a tiny pao. Alam niyo po ba, ang market ng Pinoy pao covers from the small, from the kids up to the eldest. Siyempre, di ba, ito pang bata. Actual, mga pwede pang matanda. So, the Pinoy pao concept covered the level of mga bata hanggang sa matanda. So, this one's tiny pao. 4 na kulay po ito. This one's munggo. Meron kami cheese, ube, and the choco. 4 colors po ang aming Pinoy pao. Ang aming tiny pao. Alam niyo po, this coming Christmas, marami po bibili sa amin ito. 4 colors. Why? Okay. Ito tuturuan kayo ng konting strategy. Kumuha kayo ng bilao. Bilao. Lagyan nyo ng paper na sa ilalim. Kumuha kayo ng mga tiny pack, ipaikot nyo lang iba-ibang kulay. Ang tawag doon, Christmas package. Okay, alam nyo paano kukunan nyo? Last year, I received that. Sabi ko nga sa franchisee, parang binali ko lang yung product sa akin. Pero it's okay, I take them. Thank you naman. Pero nabigyan niya ako ng idea doon, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, tawag ito ang Christmas package. May nariregalo ito ngayon ng mga friends niya, ino-offer daw doon sa especially marami ng bago taon, bilog-bilog nga naman, di ba? So you can do that also. Pwede kayo mag-offer na gano'n. Kaya lang, wala akong available na bilao, kayo mag-provide ng bilao niyo. No? Okay. And wala na. Chili oil. Sa amin din magagalit. Guys, hindi niluluto ito. Tinutow lang to. Tinutow lang lahat to. Then pag natuto to, pwede siya na to use na. Okay? After you use it, if you go into the fridge lang, freezer, and then kinabukasan 1 hour towing ito, pwede nang gamitin. Hindi na niluluto ito, ha? Hindi na. Ano na to? Concentrated na talaga. Okay? 1 year ang buhay nito. Tagal no? Hindi na sisira. Chili garlic oil, ma'am. Pwede po ba ito, ma'am? Ano yung gusto yung tingnan mamaya? Okay. So when you're going to start your business, when you're going to start your operation, I always tell to the franchisee, especially who has Pinoy Pao, okay? I always tell you, you must avoid the spoilage. Why? Kasi ang siomai madalas may spoilage eh. Bakit? Kasi lagi sila naka-display. Hindi ka mukha ng mga burger, Red Bull, Jacks, pan-order, doon ka pala magluluto. Diba? Hindi ka mukha ng siomai, you always put a display. So madalas, dyan kami nagkakaroon ng spoilage. So how can we avoid the spoilage? Paano ba natin maiiwasan magkaroon ng spoilage? Paano? Konti lang. Kasi based on my record, based on our record, you people are so excited on your first day of opening. Totoo? Sino dito excited sa starting business? Sino? Diba? You're so excited. So, ginagawa nyo on the first day of opening, salpak kayo ng salpak, lagay kayo ng lagay. Reminders to all of you, especially on the first day of opening, minimal your display. Konti-konti lang. Why? Because on the first day of opening, you can never tell what will happen. Pwede kayo maging blockbuster. Blockbuster means sold out. Or pwede kayo maging blockbuster. Blanco, zero, walang benta. Because some other people, they don't know na may magtatayo ng bagong concept on the area. So we can avoid the spoilage, especially on the first day, minimal your display. Actually, you can invite us naman. Okay? Pwede nyo kami imbitahin 1 week before the opening. Pwede nyo kami pupuntahin, sir, baka pwede ka naman mag-visit sa office namin o doon sa place namin. We can give grace on your business. Pwede kami magbigay ng mga comment, suggestion, and that's for free. Walang bayad dyan. Sa Starbucks na kami nagkakape. Pag walang Starbucks sa inyo, hindi kami pupunta. Ayos lang sa inyo yan? Okay lang. Biro-biro lang yan. Bakit po ba pinapaiwasan sa inyo magkaroon ng spoilage? For example, usually ma-siopaw, hindi siya naubos. Ang siopaw po kahit kulubon, pwede pa siyang ibenta kinabukasan. Pero ang siomai, once usually ma-siomai at hindi siya naubos, it's very rare to sell for the very next day. Why? Because of its appearances. Mag-iiba kanyang itsura, at the same time, mag-iiba kanyang lasa. Paano kung may customer kayo? Sabihin ng customer mo, Sir, ma'am, bakit po kahapon ang sarap ng siopaw nyo? O ang sarap ng siomai nyo? Bakit ngayon iba ang lasa? Ano sasabihin mo? Ha? Ano sasabihin mo? Over ano? Leftover? Ano sabihin nyo? Ano sabihin nyo? Totoo, ano sabihin nyo? Hindi nyo alam ang sasabihin nyo, di ba? So you avoid iwasan natin magkaroon ng spoilage so that you avoid the situation. Okay?
If you get it direct from the freezer,
Yun.
matagal.
Someone asked me nga po, paano ba yan na? So, frozen products, diretso sa steamer, pwede? Hindi po. Kailangan natin ng proper towing 1 to 2 hours before you put them on the steamer. 5 minutes of boiling.
Siya sa sa
Oven?
Oo.
Huwag na bibigla eh. Kaya kailangan kung mag-ooperate kayo ng 9 o'clock in the morning, I suggest ilabas na ng 7 o'clock in the morning yung mga produkto. 2 hours bago ito. Okay? So yun. So sino rin yung may mga pwesto na? Sige, I'm going to give a sample computation for the daily target sales. Sample lang Paano mo makukuha ang inyong target daily sales? First, I want to know your OPEX. Okay? Kailangan ko malaman yung operational expenses nyo. OPEX, like what? Ano ba ang OPEX? Sino gusto mo kakwenta kayo? Okay, magkano renta mo?
10,000.
Okay, good. Okay, rental, manpower. Ilan? Isa lang? Okay, manpower, isa lang. Magkano ang pasweldo? 10,000?
7,000.
Bakit 7,500?
Dahil ano siya, Monday to Saturday. May rest day siya sa Sunday.
Hindi mo 24/7?
No, next.
24/7, isa lang siya?
Yeah. 8 to 7.
8 to 7 in the morning.
No, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay, so 7,500 ang pasweldo mo. What else? Water, electricity. Libre?
No, the water system too. Kuryente na sa rental. So, electricity.
Kuryente lang. Okay, so isa lang mo. Okay, electricity lang. Ilan? Ano ang concept mo?
Jacks, tsaka
Parax. Ang Jax 1,300 watts, which is a bit prior, and then 500 watts for the Pinoy power. If you go with the computer amperes,
nasa 8,000.
hindi naman siguro, mga 3,000. Mga 3,000 to 4,000 siguro yan. Depends sa gamit. Okay. So, magkano tingin nyo? Estimated, 5,000. Okay. 5,000 estimated na. What else? Wala pa yan. OPEX pa lang tayo. Miscellaneous. Okay, I'm not going to put the depreciation, licenses, communication expenses. Nasa the communication expenses, nasa inyo kung bibili siya ng cellphone. Tama? Licenses and permits, hindi ko sinasama din yun. And then depreciation. Familiar ba kayo sa depreciation?
Ilang percent?
Ang depreciation?
Percentage.
Ng?
Yung depreciation.
Hindi. Ginagawa namin, dinidivide namin in 3 years. Halimbawa, ang cost ng equipment mo was 5,000. Okay? I-divide namin yan in 3 years. So, kung magkano yung monthly, yun ang tawag namin depreciation. No? Pero ang nagawin na po na depreciation anymore kasi package free lang naman yan. Okay? So ito lang naman yan, no? Rental, manpower, electricity, miscellaneous. Magkano i-allocate mo? 1,000. Good, okay lang.
2,000.
Ha? 2,000. Okay. 2,000 will be your miscellaneous. So ano pa? Wala na. Maglabas kayo ng calculator, ha? So, ito na yan? Wala na? Sige, kaya ba? Wala na? Kayo monthly expenses? Meron pa kayo babayaran. Kayo, ano pa babayaran nyo dito? Ha? Aside from the rental, manpower, electricity, miscellaneous, what else? Wala na, di ba? Ano pa? Meron ba? Wala na. O, sige, game. We're going to compute that. So, 10,000 plus 7, 7,500 plus 5,000, 22,500 plus 2,000, 24,500. So, yung OPEX will be 24,500. Magkano ang kailangan mo to get this one? May day off ba?
Sunday.
May day off. So, 24,500 divided by 26. Ano? 24,500 divided by 26. 942 pesos. 942 pesos, yan ang target sales mo. 942 for your OPEX times 26 is going to be 24,500. Tama? Pinaikot mo lang. Okay? So you need 942 for your operational expenses. So wala pa products mo. Okay? Now, your concept was Pinoy Pao. Pinoy Pao is 60% food costing. Ibig sabihin, ang produkto na kasama ang sauces, packaging will be 60%. Chunks, 50%. May mga products ang chunks namin na 50%, may mga products din na 40%. Hindi pa rin pareho, pero majority was 50%. Almost 50%.
What is that 50%?
Yung cost po. Halimbawa po, pinaserve mo isang products, 10 piso, ang cost mo ng products for the serving is 5 piso, and the other 5 will be your gross profit. Okay? Okay kita. So, majority natin was 60% and 50%. Saan mo gustong kunin? Ang iyong ano? 50% na lang? Kailangan mo? Kailangan ko na exact figure lang ng per year sales eh. Kasi yung Pinoy pa was 60, yung Pinoy Jack was 50. Kailangan ko lang ng isa. Ano gusto mo saan na rin kukwenta eh? 50 or 60? 50. Okay, so will be your food cost 50%. Ito yung tatawag nyo ng food cost mo. So doon mo kukunin ha? 50%. Okay. Magkaya mo ako ng target sales every day. 2,000. 2,000 will be your target sales times 26. 52,000. Tama? So this is going to be your gross profit. So your gross profit mo in 26 days will be 52,000. We're going to less your OPEX and we're going to less your food cost. Kunin mo natin ang food cost mo. 52,000 times 0.50. 0.50 will be your 50%. 26. So 26,000 pesos ang natira sa'yo. 26 minus operational expenses. Magkano natira sa'yo? 1.5. So 1,500 will be your net profit. Okay, 1.5. Bilang tayo ng 36 months times mo lang 36 months.
54.
Wala pang ROI. 3 years ka na, di ba ROI?
Kasi 2,000 na yung projected.
Okay, so meaning ma'am, the 2,000 pesos is not enough for the target daily sales if you have this kind of operational expenses. Alam niyo po ba, 30% of the operation comes from your OPEX. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Your rent was 10,000, you go with the food Pinoy Jacks. Pwede ba mag-maximize? You put another products. Yun. Nakuha niyo na? Yes, sabi ko sa inyo, you rent 10,000 and you only have 2 concepts. You can put 4 concepts, maximize it. Diba? Pwede ka maglagay ng table. Pwede ka maglagay ng table. Ilang table? Ilan? Isa lang. Ilan ang kasya? Ilan ang cash table? Ilang tao ang cash table na nalagay nyo? Isa lang din? Mas kita? Opo. Ilan? Isang table. Dalawang table. Tama? Ilang tao ang cash sa bawat table? 4? 2? 4? Ano na, abiyas ko yung sige. You have a table. Ilang kasya sa isang table? Hindi, table for the customer. So, 4 table ang kasya doon sa area mo. Sige na, bibigyan ka na ng content marketing. Ha? Drive-thru. Social. Pwede mo gamitin ng marketing, radio, TV, magazine, diba? Hindi kasi that's why I'm asking kung may table ka sa labas, di ba?
Food court kasi siya eh. So may
Yung mga table. Marami. O, ganito na gawin mo. Siyempre, malaki ang ano, di ba? Malaki ang food court. So, maraming table yan. Mag-invite ka agad sa maraming friends. 20, 30 friends. Di ba? Siyempre, nasara mo sila, di ba? Pupuin natin yung 10. Patayuin mo yung 20. Marami nakatayo, di ba? Tayo mga Pilipino, pag may marami nakatayo, na ginagawa nyo? Tumatayo din, di ba? Nakikiano kayo? Sama kayo nagsabi na hindi ako. Hindi nyo alam that a simple marketing can help you para makilala ang produkto mo. Sabi tayo mga Pinoy, may anak nga dito. Daming tao may bagong concept, let's try it. Di ba? May gano'n? So, hindi natin alam yung mga simpleng bagay kasi we do that before. Kapag nagtatayo kami ng tea, we invite our friends, lahat. Humihinto sa amin yung mga tao. May ano rito? Uy, may bagong tea. Di ba? Nakikilala sila. Malaking bagay yung word of mouth. Diba? So you do that on the first day. Now, when we come into release your food cart, we're going to release your cart, we're going to give you franchise kit. Okay. The franchise kit is set up and procedure how to make your product. What I have here is a training kit. Okay? Pero hindi ko napapasahin ito lahat. Sobrang madami na 11:40 wala pala. Nalibang kayo masyado. No? Nagugutom na kayo? Kasi ano kayo? Meron po rin na sa likod. Makibigyan na kayo. Hindi, biro. So anyway, bibilis na lang natin. No? Regarding the SRP, pwedeng ibaba, pwedeng itaas, depende sa reason na ibibigay niyo sa akin. For example, Nelson, my neighbors want to taste food products, but they cannot afford it. Pwede ko ibaba? Yes. Okay. Gusto naman, sabi niya, Maestro, mataas masyado renta namin dito. Tsaka dito sa Ayala, pag 20 marumi. Okay? Itataas namin yung presyo namin, gagawin namin 50 pesos. Di ba may area sa may mga Makati area, especially on the Ayala and the Makati place, na pag ang presyo ng food cart of products mura, ayaw nilang bilhin. Kasi parang iba tingin nila. Gusto nila mamahalin. Social sila. So anyway, so you can do that if ever you want to change the products. No? And then, now, kapag nilis namin ang cart nyo, again, may kasamang franchise kit, what I have here is training kit. Doon sa mga hindi umabot, meron tayo dito how to register your business from the DTI up to the BIR. Also, meron kami mga core values, quality, service, cleanliness, types of customer, and also meron kami dito mga receiving and storekeeping policies. For example, wash hands. Proper hand washing should be exercised all the time. Off the floor. Off the floor. Food items should not touch the ground, okay? To avoid contamination. Pipe po. Familiar guys, pipe po? First in, first out system. And also the Lego. Ano Lego? Very good. Okay, and also meron kami ditong steps, opening procedure. Okay, opening the store is the big step toward welcoming the customer to come and buy. On the first day of opening, I want you to do ocular inspection. Check the condition of the cart. This is a collapsible cart. Pag hindi tama ang kalagay nyo, chances are pwede siya mag-collapse. Check if all locks are in place. You double check that. Number 3, check if there is any sign or damage or vandalism done. You double check your food cart, baka may nag-trip sa inyo. Yung Pinoy Pao, binura yung Pinoy, hindi nila Pao. Nilagyan ng L.O. Paulo. Diba? Napagtipan, diba? So, pangalan niya, nilagay niya, Paulo pala. Okay, double check that. Number 4, you open the store. Open the store, open the lights, the story. Like I said, you can modify that, you can customize, you can put a light if you want, you can put chandelier if you want. Nakakita na ba kayo ng card na may chandelier? O kaya malapit na ang Pasko. O, di ba? Lagyan nyo ng spotlight. O, basta huwag nyo lalagyan ng traffic light. Okay, so double check that. And then, number 6, check cooking equipment. Clean the cart, interior and exterior. You double check your stocks, your inventory, and your packaging. Baka you're so excited. On the first day of opening, wala kayong products. Diba? Excited. Kaya aga mo natulog, gumising, set up, BS, pagdating daw, walang produkto. You double check that. And number 10, this one is very important on the first day of opening. You check yourself in the mirror. Yes, are you ready to face the customer? Are you? Okay. And also, meron kami dito mga crew standard operating procedure guidelines. This is for your staff. Your crew, hairnet, should always be worn. Okay, fingernails are clean, cut short and unpolished. Sa mga babae, kailangan ko ng light makeup. Baka nakakatakot ang makeup niya, walang bumili sa inyo. Sa mga lalaki, kailangan ko ng clean haircut, clean shaven. Okay? And please, we practice in the food industry, no jewelries or any other accessories allowed. Bawal po ang kwintas, ang bracelets, ang relo, ang singsing on the first day or on the operation. Pinagbabawal po kasi yun kasi chances pwede silang kumalo sa pagkain. Okay? Now, and also yung mga not to do, smoking. Kung nag-iwas yung staff, it's okay. No problem with that. Okay? But tell your crew, Do not smoke while on the operation. Baka habang nagluluto ng noodles, sumuyos, you know? Ang pangit naman nun. So don't do that. Using obscene language, shouting, running, horseplay, addressing your customer ate and kuya. Do not call your customer ate and kuya. You cannot please everybody. You cannot please them. Sometimes call them lolo. Wala pa akong apo. Call them lola. Mukhang matanda ka pa sa akin, di ba? Sometimes you cannot please them. So just to be safe, call them ma'am or sir. Not unless kung talagang kuya mo yon. Pero you can call also your customer to their profession. Pwede. Sa profession nila, parang customer ko na to, always customer, doktor siya, pwede mo siya tawagin to their profession, doc. Diba? Pero huwag mo tawagin kuya, doc. Okay? Yun. Then you accept the tips of the customer, showing tardiness, laughing at the customer, ignoring the customer. Yun naman madalas ignoring. No? And also, meron kami dito closing. Kung may opening, may closing. Again, sino mag-operate at 24/7? Isa lang ang crew. Wow, naawagan kayo. Hindi naman nangyayari. Okay, kung meron kayong opening, meron kayong closing. At the end of the day, there are also certain procedures that assign staff must carry. Ito yung mga accomplished sales report. Cash on hands, physical inventory, daily reconciliation, and the deposit slip. Deposit slip is very important. Kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa place mo to get your money, you tell your crew, deposit the money on your account, not to their account. Okay? You tell them. And also, you double check the cooking area, turn off the light, and plug electric outlet before leaving the store. You do that before you leave. Okay, handling customers complaint. Pero din dito, I know naman, nakikita pa naman sa lahat nyo, sa lahat sa inyo, you know how to handle a complaint. Totoo ba sinabi ko? Marunong ba kayo mag-handle ng complaint? Paano pa nagagamit yung customer? Paano? Give him a kiss? Paano pa nagagamit ang customer? Ano ginagawa nyo? Pakausapin, of course. Paano ginagawa nyo? Pakikinggan yung sinasabi niya. Ano pa? Okay. Kita niyo naman pala. Pero handling customers complaints, there's a certain steps o paano ba mag-handle talaga ng isang complaint. Okay, so, nandito yung procedure doon, masahin niyo na lang. And, kanina binigyan ko kayo ng anin na advice. So, this card, the whole package sa likod. Nakalagay dito, food card operation tips and advice where you can read o paano ba makipag-competition with the other food cart franchise. Okay? And then, sample inventory report. Okay, you can use this one, photocopy, pattern, pwede siyang gamitin on your operation. Okay? So, this 8 pages, call them training kit. And this training kit costs you 10 pesos per page. Okay na sa inyo? Ha? Per page po ang bayad sa amin dyan. Okay, anyway, so after ito, we're going to have food training sa baba and also we're going to give you food tasting. Okay? But, reminders to all of you. Reminders to all of you. Okay? You're only allowed to taste kung ano ang concept nyo. Okay? If you're going to taste another concept, we will disfranchise you. Ha? Ayun. Kapag sino rito mga wala pang concept, wala pang titikman. Anyway, doon sa mga wala na biro lang, tingin ko pwede naman. Doon sa mga hindi makakatikim, I was in the information, you can approach me there. Nelson, hindi ako nakatikim ng ating food tasting. Samahan ko na lang kayo. I'm sure you have the money. Hindi ko naman kayo bibigyan ng libre. Okay, sa mga wala kang kasamang crew right now, ang schedule sa seminar namin Wednesday, 12 o'clock up to 3 p.m. and Saturday will be 9. 12. After nito mga to, training tayo. Okay? Doon sa mga walang kasamang crew today, you can send your crew every Wednesday and Saturday after the seminar. Okay, kapag hindi nila nakuha, you send them back again every Wednesday and Saturday. Kapag hindi nakuha, pabalikin nyo ulit sila ng Wednesday at Saturday. Nakapal, hindi pa rin nakuha.
Kunin mo na siya.
Maybe you can send them for the entire 3 years of your contract. Buong 3 taon. Okay? Okay na. Doon sa mga hindi pa nagsasign ng kontrata, sign yung contract sa akin sa information. Okay? Before we get down, may mga tanong. Tapusin mo natin yung mga tanong.
Upon signing, we pay already.
Yes, of course. Contract signing na, dapat payment na.
So, yung pag-training na sinasabi ko, yun na yung legit training na
Mamaya, saba.
So, kailangan nakaka-sign
Training ko? Hindi naman, hindi naman. Yung before signing of your contract, kailangan yung franchise ka na. Ano? Ay. Don't talk regarding the incentive, regarding the deadline. Pero, ang kasabi mo dyan, yung inyong consultant. Hindi ako yun. Hindi akin yun. Okay? So, before we get down, sige, magtanong na kayo. Dali na. Oo naman, mataas na yung kanila kasi. Most of them is like 5,000 per day. Okay?
Uwi ka na.
Kapal? Kapal pa, sir.
Hotel ka.